If you've just set up your Google Workspace and your mail still aren't coming through, there's a good chance that your MX record haven't been configured yet. MX records, or mail exchange records, are the instructions that tell the internet which server should handle email for your domain. In just 5 minutes, this guide will walk you through exactly how to properly configure MX records in your Google Workspace account. Also, if you're stuck at any point during the process, you can get real-time assistance from experts by calling the numbers on the screen. So let's begin with the process now. Open your browser and search for Google Workspace MX records to pull up the official setup information from Google. Once the page loads, scroll down to the Popular Domain Registrar Instructions section and select an option from the list. Make sure to select your domain registrar from the list. On the following page, scroll down to the After April 2023 section and take a note of the priority, host, mail server, and TTL values shown there. You'll need these details when updating your DNS records in the steps ahead. Now, log into your domain host account using your credentials. Note, in this guide, we use HostLinger as an example. If you're using GoDaddy or a different domain registrar, feel free to let us know in the comments and we'll help you out. Once you're on the home page, click on the Domains drop-down menu at the top and select Domain Portfolio from the options. From the list of domains, locate the one you'd like to configure and click the Manage button right next to it. On the domain management page that opens, look for DNS name servers in the left-hand side bar, then click on it to access your DNS settings. Once inside, scroll down to the Manage DNS Records section. Click on the Type drop-down menu and select MX from the list of available records type to get started. Now, carefully in each field with the corresponding priority name, mail server, and TTL values that you noted down earlier in the step 3, make sure each value into the right box and shown in the image. Once all the fields are filled in correctly, click on the Add Record button to save your new MX record and complete the setup. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help@emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.